Pinterest is more than pretty pictures. Can this simple app really make you money? Sounds hard to believe, right? People see it as a place for food, fashion, and home decor. But behind those pins hides a quiet money path. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big company. All you need is internet, a laptop, and some patience. With affiliate marketing, every pin you post can carry a product link. When someone clicks and buys, you earn money. At first it feels small, but small can grow. A few clicks turn into steady income. Steady income turns into freedom. This secret has already helped many normal people change their lives. In today's video, we'll go step by step, show you how it works, and guide you to start your own. You'll learn why this method is easier than most online jobs. You'll also see how small actions today can build big results tomorrow. Let's dive in. The secret world behind Pinterest. Pinterest is not just an app for looking at pretty pictures. It can also help you earn money. Many people open Pinterest to find ideas like food recipes, new clothes, workout tips, or home decorations. But behind all these fun pictures is a quiet money system. Pinterest works like a search tool, but instead of showing only words, it shows pictures called pins. Each pin can take you to a shop, a blog, or a website. This means people are not just scrolling for fun. They are often ready to buy something. That is why Pinterest is powerful for earning money. It is not only about sharing pretty designs. It is about being in the right place where buyers are already looking for things they need. Choosing a niche that fits you to earn money on Pinterest, you cannot post random things. You need to pick one clear topic, which is called a niche. A niche makes your profile neat, simple, and easy for people to trust. It can be anything you enjoy like food, fitness, travel, beauty, books, or crafts. If you love fitness, you can post about healthy meals, exercise tools, or workout clothes. If you enjoy cooking, you can post about kitchen gadgets, recipe books, or easy recipes. Sticking to one niche shows people what to expect from you. This makes you look smart, organized, and professional. Building a profile that attracts followers. Your Pinterest profile is like a shop. If it looks messy, people will scroll past. But if it looks clear and nice, people will stop and explore. Start by choosing a username that fits your niche. Write a short line under your name telling what people can find, like easy cooking tools and simple recipes. Use a clear, bright profile picture, not a blurry one. Next, make boards with simple names like easy recipes, healthy snacks, or home fitness gear. Each board is like a small folder full of ideas and tips. A good, neat profile makes people feel safe and confident. When people feel safe, they will click your pins more, follow your account, and come back again and again. Designing pins that bring attention. A pin is like a little poster. On Pinterest, pins are the first thing people see, so they must catch the eye. If your pin looks plain, people will scroll away. But if it looks bright, clean, and simple to read, they will stop. Add strong titles like 10 kitchen tools you must have, or best fitness tips for starters. Use bright colors and easy fonts. You can use free tools like Canva to make pins. Add your name or website at the bottom so people know it is yours. A good pin can bring you clicks and visits for many months without you doing more work. Writing descriptions that turn into sales. When someone clicks your pin, they read the short text under it. This is your chance to tell them more. Write in very easy words, like you're talking to a friend. Say what problem the product fixes and why it helps. Add simple keywords so more people can find your pin, like easy cooking tools or fitness gear for beginners. Then put your link in a natural way, not in a pushy way. End with a friendly line like, click to see more. A small line like this can make people curious and ready to buy. Growing with group boards. One secret way to grow fast on Pinterest is by using group boards. A group board is like a big folder where many people can post their pins together. When you join the right group board, your pins can be seen by thousands of people, not just the small group who follows you. For example, if you post about cooking tools and join a cooking group board, your pin will be shown to people who already love cooking. This saves you time because you don't have to find people one by one. The bigger and more active the board, the more views, clicks, and saves your pins get. Many beginners skip this step because they don't know about it, but it is one of the strongest ways to grow fast. Think of group boards as teamwork. When many people share, everyone grows together. Why consistency is the real key. Pinterest does not reward people who post one time and then disappear. To do well, you must be consistent. That means posting pins every single day, or at least a few times each week. The more often you post, the more Pinterest will show your pins to other people. Posting often also helps you learn new things. Maybe one pin gets many clicks while another does not. By staying active, you understand what design and words work best. It is just like exercise. If you go once, nothing changes. But if you keep going for months, your body grows stronger. On Pinterest, your growth is the same. With regular work, you will see more traffic, more trust, and slowly more money too. Tracking what works best. If you want to earn money, you cannot just post blindly. You need to track your results and see what works. Pinterest gives a free tool called Analytics. It shows how many people saw your pin, clicked on it, or saved it. These numbers are like small signs that guide you. If a pin is not working well, you can change the picture or write a new description. If a pin is popular, you can make more pins like it. This saves time and makes your work smarter. Without tracking, it's like walking on a road with no map. You may get lost. With tracking, you know the right path and reach your goal faster. Building trust with your audience. On Pinterest, people only click and buy from someone they trust. Trust is built slowly by being honest, kind, and clear. Do not just push products because you want money. Share real advice, tips, and ideas with your links. If you post about cooking tools, explain why they are good and how they help in daily life. If you talk about fitness gear, share simple workout tips too. When people feel you care about them, they will come back again and again. Over time, they will see you as their favorite guide in that topic. Trust may take time to grow, but once you have it, people will listen to you, follow you, and buy from you without doubt. Turning pins into passive income. The best thing about Pinterest is that pins last for a long time. On other social media, posts disappear after some hours, but on Pinterest, a good pin can bring views, clicks, and sales for months or even years. That is why Pinterest is great for passive income. Once you create your pins, they keep working while you sleep, study, or spend time with family. You don't need to keep chasing people every day. With the right pins, the right niche, and steady posting, small clicks will slowly turn into big income. This is how normal people all around the world are quietly earning money online without stress. That is the magic of passive income. Your work keeps paying you even when you are not working. Pinterest is not just a picture app. It can be your way to earn money while you sleep. From picking the right niche, making bright and clear pins, writing simple but strong descriptions, joining group boards, and posting regularly, every step helps you grow. Passive income does not happen overnight, but Pinterest makes it possible even for beginners. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy guides on earning money online. Share this video with friends who want to start their own journey too. And always remember, small steps you take today can turn into big money tomorrow.